Good evening, candidates. This is the email received for a candidate who has been called for law officer interview in Karnataka Bank, and the date is given, the place of interview is given. Apart from that, it is given interview process shall include legal drafting on 2 or 3 scenarios. This is a new thing that they have given. Maybe they will go through the answers you are giving in draft and then decide. So in our group, a candidate has given about the possible situations like draft of the notice under section 138 for recovery of the monies, the check not paid. Likewise, there can be questions on SurfaceE Act for a realization. I'm not sure about what are the other topics that can come. So you can think of different topics that can come under the say the it is like a drafting of a notice. So you must be prepared for that. This is the first time I'm coming across an interview where they are including this type of question also. So please be prepared for that. They have asked you to bring the biodata form with and affixing your recent passport size photograph, originals and also photocopies, one set of certificates and testimonials to confirm age, qualification, experience. That is Aadhaar, PAN card, Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID, driving license. Then 10th class, 12th class, degree, BL, everything. Then copy of this mail also you should bring, you should take with you. They have told very clearly, no photocopy facility will be provided. Whereas in many other banks, they do take copies. Only the candidate will be allowed if you are coming to the to enter the other venue. Accompanying family members will not be allowed. Then candidates are advised to attend the interview only if they fulfill eligibility criteria. Any canvassing is a disqualification. Again, they have repeated, kindly bring a printout of this email. Please do like that. And if some of you want guidance for interview, for drafting or for questions to be answered, please pay rupees 503 to Gpay or phone pay 9003037557 and send screenshot. Also fill Google Sheet. Thank you. Only 3 candidates have joined so far out of the total 89 or so. And if some more are interested, they can join. I'll put you into a Karnataka separate group so that you can discuss among yourselves. Thank you.